is Joanne Tan. I'm from Yearluck Food. We manufacture basically the Conitos brand or the tip of the cone filled with chocolate. For the Wofex, the experience was great. So we got some leads. Initially, even though if it's still half day on the first day show, we were able to meet potential clients which can be our future clients. To PhilPet, thank you continuously. I cannot thank you further for giving this opportunity on this free booth and for helping SMEs like us.
I'm Madonna Isturis Bernardino, the owner of Brianna Food Creation. Kami ang gumagawa ng Katomi Santan. Being a part ng World Food Expo, ang masasabi ko is masaya kasi dito ko na-meet yung mga iba't ibang type ng clients, may sa iba't ibang bansa, and kung paano mag-deal sa kanila. And ang maganda rin naman yung naging effect kasi nagkaroon ako ng mga advanced booking and may mga nag-inquire din about export and rebranding. PhilPet Inc., thank you so much dahil nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na makapasok sa WOPEX at na isa sa mga exhibitor, sa manager, sa owner, sa staff, sa sales. Lahat kayo, malaki ang naitulong nyo sa Brianna Food Creation at masasabi ko na hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili ng PhilPet Inc. Simula nung nagsa-start pa ako ng business at hanggang sa lumago at lumaki ang aking kumpanya, PhilPet ma rin ang magiging supplier ko ng mga products.